Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So today I am going to make a beautiful crochet puff flower. This is so simple and easy to make, and I hope you will like my video. Share it with your friends and family, and please leave a comment on my work. So for that flower I'm going to use a medium yarn, and the hook size is 3.5 mm. First of all, we will make chain 6. Now single crochet in very first chain to make a circle. Now single crochet in the circle. We have to make 12 single crochet in this circle. So after completing 12 single crochet in circle, slip stitch in very first chain to make a circle or to lock it up. Now we have to make chain 3. Now 5 triple crochet together in the next chains. So now after completing 5 triple crochet, there are 6 loops on the hook. Pass over the yarn from all these loops. Now chain 3, single crochet in next chain, make a puff. As you can see, this is a very beautiful and very simple method. Now chain 2, 5 triple crochet together in next chains. So 6 loops on the hook. Pass over the yarn from all these loops. Chain 3, single crochet in next chain. So here is our second puff. Here we have to complete 6 puffs to make a puff flower. We have to repeat the same procedure till the end to make the puff flower. I hope you will like my video, share my video, and for more flowers, leaves, and many of these patterns, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So here is the flower's final look. We have to lock this side of yarn to make sure that it will not reopen.